You can increase the total solid 30% or 32% to the max. Then your sugar will definitely increase. In order not too sweet, you can increase glucose powder. What happened if my glucose powder become 100 and 150 gram? It will be too much for me to handle, become very gluey, very shiny. What are the ingredients that you can use in order not to have too much glucose powder inside? Yes, it's zero sugar and zero anti-freezing power, right? You add 100% total solid inside. 10 gram you add inulin, 10 gram total solid, right? The total solid is 100%. In order to reduce the glucose powder and fulfill your total solid, you add inulin. If you find that 143 sweetness is good enough, then you better find other replacement from the sugar to replace your total solid. Generally, for sorbet, 140 is limit for Singapore taste. In Italy, maybe they can take 180 per kilo.